Hi guys, so I'm Tennille with Beauty in the City. I'm back with our haul for Style Look. So I just picked up a lot of great style that's gonna go amazing with my Beauty in the City makeup. I was just at Zara and Bloomingdale's, two of my favorite stores. We're gonna take a look at some of the amazing things that I picked up. So just to show you guys some of this stuff, I picked up this pretty dress from Zara. We've got, goodness, Zara's so fun. I picked up two dresses. This one probably is, it's not a hair too short, I really love it. But this one is probably a good day dress. And it's totally summer. Or I might wear it in the spring with jeans. Then I've got some really fun color outfits that we have with, that I picked up at Bloomingdale's. I actually sometimes enjoy their aqua line, but I like a cute, just a very cute top that you could wear with jeans. And this is one of my favorite colors. It's just so nice with my skin tone and it's so springy. I love it for manicures. So I'm really ready to get started to show you what we have. Let me come back. I'm gonna hang these things up and then we're gonna come back and take a look.